Are you planning to clean your couches and upholstery? Steam cleaning is the best step to take because it has the following benefits. 1. It removes the stain permanently. 2. It deep cleans the couches. 3. It saves your time. 4. It kills microbes and pathogens. 5. It makes the couch feel and smell fresh. That's why, hire the best professionals offering couch steam cleaning in Melbourne. Hire Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne as we are the best, offering steam cleaning in Melbourne. We are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call now 1-800-960-244. Mail at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.